guys, I'm Shilpa and today I'm going to be reviewing this rotary electrical nail buffer for which I bought from the Born Pretty store. Excuse me. And I really like it, and it's a very handy tool to have if you are a nail art enthusiast. And what you get, it comes along with this these nail bits, all right. And I also purchased these ones separately, and they're not really very costly, and it's a very good thing, handy thing to have if you want to, you know, really perfect your gel nails and your acrylic nails. And there are so many different uses of this electrical device. Right now I have a situation where I need to remove this shimmer, and shimmer, you know, is very difficult to remove. This is gel, so I'm going to be doing that right now. So what you need to do is once you press this, you need to press this, okay, and then insert it inside and release and just tighten it. So press it and tighten it so that it doesn't come out, you know, it's kind of fixed, okay. And when you start initially, it's always wise to use a slower speed. There are many speeds, see, and it can go this fast. So initially I kind of, you know, started with a slower speed just to get the hang of it. So right now I'm going to be removing right now I'm going to be removing this. I'll just kind of get it closer. Yeah, you can see better. Yeah, so I'm just going to be removing this, just since I'm used to it. I'll speed it up a little more, okay. And now I'm going to be removing this, and you can see how easy it is to remove. And one thing you need to be careful about is that you don't kind of just keep on, you know, rotating it in one place, because it can get really hot and very unpleasant. As I keep on making my nail art videos, I will keep on using the different kind of tips so that it becomes easier for, you know, you to understand how these tips can be used. Oh, I didn't get a cotton bud anyways, so that I can, here, there you go. This is also an excellent device to shape your nails once you have done your nail art. You can see here this nail is kind of not very even, and I'm not happy with the work I've done on this nail. So all you can do is just buff in the place where you need to equalize it. So it can get very dusty. You need a brush. So yeah. Can you see? Okay. Please guys, excuse me, this is my first nail art video I'm making, and I really like this. You know, you get better ones as well. There are so many different options on Born Pretty store, and you can go have a look at that. But I found this was one economical and very handy, so I purchased this one. So I see most of the videos on YouTube, and they usually have this one. It's really nice. I'll be putting a link down so that you can see. Yeah, there you go. So basically I'll be doing the rest later. You can see that I was successful in removing the very difficult gel gel shimmer, which is really very difficult to remove. And now it's too long for me, these nails, and I want them to be a bit more shorter, okay. So this is the other thing I want to talk about, which I got from the Born Pretty store, and it is a nail cutter, okay. and it's very helpful when you're using acrylic, but basically very helpful for acrylic and gel nails. But basically what I found was that even my own nails, if I wanted a square nail, it was so much easier. So all you need to do is hold it in a 90 degrees angle straight and get your nails in there. Ooh, I'm seeing this, and kind of align and just cut. Go. There you go. Perfect square nails. I'll do one more. And there you go. I don't want them so long, and it's not really, yeah. There I go. There I go. And I'm going to cut it from the side as well here. So just as to give me a proper shape. I won't have to worry so much about filing then. There. Perfectly square nails. I'll be doing the rest of them and showing you later. So till then, bye. Oh, I have to also speak about these nail bits. Now this one here can make a perfect hole into the nail, and I've got a nail over here somewhere, and I don't know, where did I keep it now? That's just me. Because I don't want to do it on my nail, I wanted to do it on the other nail. So I just bought it, I don't know where I got it. Anyways, I might as well do another video on that once I find my nail. Until then, I hope this was helpful, because this product is really very helpful in making your work faster and your life a lot easier. I hope that helped. If you did, do like the video, and if you have any other comments you would like to add, I would be more than happy to read them. Anyways, bye.